One game down and we have 5 more games remaining. Nagpapatuloy po ang inyong Delta Cup. Live na live po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. My name is Ryan Paro. Kasama ang ating mga fans sa likod. Kaway-kaway kayo dyan. And of course, the game at hand, it will be Macabebe versus Gua Gua. These two teams, mamaya makikita natin yan at match at hand. I believe naglaban na sila on the previous games. Or hindi pa. This will be their debut games. Because as you can see on the warm-up, ang very expected dito for these players, they're very fast. Why? First of all, yung Macabebe, marami sila mga 3 or 2 guards averaging the heights of 5'7" and 5'8" respectively. Samantala naman, ang kabila naman, yung Macabebe, they have a lot of persons na around 6 plus, 6 feet. As we take a look at the lineups right now, the starters for Gua Gua, in the guard position, Bugarin, Malyari. Center is Angeles. Forward is Olivares and Apostol. For Macabebe, we have Dungo, Mundo and the guard position. Duwag at center. Dugut and Sunga at the forward position. The most important thing right here, dito sa ating mga debut games for both Macabebe and Pampanga, especially for Macabebe, I already pointed out there's a lot of big guys. So we expect that these guys will dominate over the boards. However, pagdating naman sa Gua Gua, sila naman ay maraming mga guards position like Bugarin. So we expect it's going to be a fast pace, especially Olivares. Hindi lang siya malaking player but a very quick and agile player. One thing for sure for the Delta Cup, they will showcase their talents. They will immensely improve. And ang expectation dito ni Governor Delta Pineda na ito mga players na ito ay mag-grow, magmamature, and at the same time, magiging ano na rin sila. Pag sila naging successful sa mga torneo ito, they will also be what we call the Pampanga basketball ambassadors. Siyempre, mga katulad ni Justin Balti Baltasar, Alvin Santos, the former PBA MVP Agato Agustin, Calvin Abreva. These are currently the Pampanga ambassadors of basketball. And with that, we are ready to start the jump ball. These two teams will now face at the center court to start the second game of 6 ng ating Pampanga Municipalities and Cities Basketball 2023, also known as Delta Cup. And here are the 5s on the floor na in-explain ko kanina. Ayan na po ang Macabebe. And of course, sa Gua Gua, yan na rin po ang 5s. And of course, tumadaan na sa ating harapan ko ang katatapos na team na naglaro kanina. Alright. And the referees will jump this basketball to the center court. And we are now ready. We're ready to play. Let's go. First possession goes to the red shirts of Macabebe. Yung Macabebe ay yung unang bayan galing sa sur papuntang norte, yung Apalit, kaliwanon yun ang Macabebe. Here's the 3-point shot. Goes right. Yan ay si Duog. 20 seconds in the balance ating first quarter. Gua Gua wearing in green and white. So Gua Gua, ito yung bayan na ang after na Florida Blanca na naglaro kanina. Malyari. Angeles. Oh, Dungo with a strip. And the ball is loose. Gua Gua pa rin nakakuha ng bola. And here's the drop to Malyari. Nice play. Give and go. And Gua Gua takes first blood of this second game at hand. We're a minute gone by sa ating first quarter. Apostol. Now the ball game for Macabebe. Or Gua Gua. 3-point shot from the left corner. Walakas. There's the rebound by Mundo. Here's baseline drive. Pointed. Put back with his teammate Ayaw. And the ball goes back to Gua Gua. So, dami na baba ng Gua Gua ang bola. Dahil napapansin nila itong Macabebe. Kahit na maliliksi sila, ang bilis nilang bumaba sa depensa. Only 11 seconds on the shot clock for the white shirts. Here's Malyari. The drive inside the paint. Oh, that time, he was bothered by the defense. Initya na lang bola, pumasok. Look at that. That's what you call luck. Dukot, talagang dinukot at initya na lang bola at pumasok. High time move. Didn't pay off for Gua Gua. Here's a 3-point shot from left quarter court. Wala para kay Dukot. Wants to go on a 5-point cluster. Put back inside the paint. Wala. Man scramble, loose ball. Gua Gua pa rin nakakuha ng bola. Turnover once again. This time, Dukot delivers. And now, Macabebe is on the driver's seat for 2-2. At mukhang meron tayong crowd dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention ng mga Macabebens. Almost a backcourt violation. Meron pa silang 13 seconds on the shot clock. Malyari muli. Here's the incursion drive. Tungo with a supreme rejection. Could have been a counter block, but there's a foul. Give it up by Gua Gua. Take a look at this in a slow-mo replay. With his counter fast break para sa Macabebe. Ayun, huli sa ulo. Good call. Good angle. Great camera angle there, ha? For 2-second count. Again, ang pinapanood po ninyo, ang ating Municipalities and Cities Basketball League Delta Cup, presented by the Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than Governor of Pampanga, Honorable Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And also, it is streamed live sa Sinag Liga Asia. You can like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages of Pampanga Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia on all social media platforms. 5-2, Macabebe, up by 3. Ito na ang Gua Gua. Angeles Apostol, now on the right wing. 13 to shoot. Left quarter court 3, does not work. He is batted for the rebound at mapupunta ang bola sa Macabebe. .6:40 remaining sa ating first quarter. So far, Macabebe with a 3-point lead, pero hindi nagpapatalo dito ang Gua Gua. Dungo, quick in the brace. His shot, it bounces out. Gua Gua's turn to do on the fast lane. They have numbers, but that fast break won't happen. Great transition defense by the red shirts. Here's the left quarter court 3, Kapos. Dukot snares the rebound. Ito na si Dug. Jumper from the left corner. That's his favorite spot. He sinks it. That's Mundo. 5-point edge for Macabebe. 4 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. Apostol, here's the lob, and here's the quick hands and long hands by Dungo, but the pass is too tight. Dungo couldn't reach. Alright, sa mga katutunin lang dito sa ating Delta Cup, kung na-miss nyo ang first game, the final score 73-63. Almost a steal there, but he failed. Sumobra layup. Left-handed layup on the other end for Gua Gua. Beat in. And the ball goes back to Macabebe. You know, yung mga ganyang mga layups, kaya nagmimintis, they still don't have the savvy and experience yet to be able to scoop that ball in. Pero pag lumaki ang kanilang kamay, they can easily scoop that in. Alright. They change the call. And the ball will be on the white shirts of Gua Gua. Pale, momentarily open. 3-point country, rims out. Man for the rebound, nakuha ng Macabebe. And Sunga. Mundo from top of the key. 16 to shoot, will not force it. 14 on the shot clock. Dukut, pump fakes. Sunga from the baseline. Backdoor cut, almost paid off. But he will take 2 shots nonetheless. Alright. Talaga may mga hiyawan din dito sa Vencia Convention Center. Alright, we have some greetings dito sa Facebook Live. Basahin natin. As Dukot sings the first, sabi ni Rialin Dukot, lakas mo naman soy, Wayan Dukot. Manisel Isip says, go team Macabebe. Sabi ni Alaya Peñas Cosas, go Mexico. Let's see if we have that game later on. Joseph Andrew Depona says, Ray Codera. Sabi ni Chay Infante, good luck po boss. Fun day, Uzi. Some of the greetings here in Facebook. 3-point shot on its way. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng Gua Gua. Put back inside the paint. Pays off. That's a second field goal for Gua Gua. Dugut didn't force it. 10 to shoot. Tenor shot clock. Down to 5. Oh, how about that? 3-point bomb exploded by Dukot. Slightly sensational performance by Dukot. 3 field goals already. He's leading the way. And Dungo rejects that shot from Macabebe's offensive trust. Almost a turnover there by Macabebe. Ito na si Dorg. 13 to shoot. Siya nagtitimon. Inside pass from the baseline. Bounces out. Nagbabalik ang bola para sa Gua Gua. Fast break incursion. 17 to shoot para sa Gua Gua. Baseline. Nilabas. The outside sniping does not fall into place. Pero kanila pa rin ang bola. Fresh 14 para sa Gua Gua. Paule. The spin. That time there's a first cause of traveling. First traveling error sa ating laro. Sa ating second game of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. Live na live po dito tayo sa BREN Convention Center. Mayap na adap kay kayo, mga kabalin. Ako po yung lingkod, Ryan Paro, doing the commentaries. Binabati ko rin ang ating mga kasama dyan sa UNTV Sports. I won't make it for today, but babawi ako by Thursday. Direct Dikmasa, Sir Rafi, and of course, Rina Bilio Camara, Eric Tipansep Sarmenta, Coach Ronnie Magsano, Coach Jolly Escobar. We'll see you soon. And next Trinidad, DJ Adap. In the meantime, balik sa ating action. Here's the fast break incursion by Macabebe. Oh, merong sumabit sa itaas. That will be a foul against Gua Gua. So now free throws now for the defending party. We have a full force here in our production team headed by Drake Adi Aleo. Of course, cameraman Balong. Si Art. Ay, si Art pala sa kabila. Alright, second free throw now for Macabebe. And the free throw is good. Of course, kanina nakita niyo on camera. At nakaupo pa rin sila yung ating mga VIPs. Commissioner ng Delta Cup, Commissioner Leo Isaac, and of course, the Sinag Liga Asia President and CEO Ray Alaw. 3-point shot for Gua Gua. Oh, look at that. Even the inside incursions, huling-huli ng Macabebe, courtesy of that rejection by Talavera, and Mundo was fouled from behind by Kaima, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, substitution po sa Macabebe. Ducod checks out. Well-deserved rest. Approaching the 2-minute mark sa ating first quarter. Here's the glass hit. Approaching the 2 minutes now sa ating first half. It's a 14-4 count. Only 4 points for Gua Gua. Medyo maalat ang kanilang scoring. At ito na naman ang turnover. And it will make them pay. So far, Macabebe, it's on a rampage. 16-4 with a 12-point lead. Let's take a look some of the highlights of that particular moment. But first, we will have a timeout. Let's see that again. Steal, fast break, finish, and timeout. Sabi nga as we go back to basketball action, napakaliit na ng mundo ng sports broadcasting. Binabati ko rin yung mga kasama natin dyan sa ibang liga na aking pinapupuntahan. Of course, I would like to greet personally Mr. Bill Velasco, Mr. Randy Saktalan, Sir Nori Uy, hello, direct. And of course, yung iba pang kasama natin dyan, si Richard Tampos, ang ating one of the national venue announcers here in Philippine basketball. Salamat sa pagsuporta sa akin. Thank you. Of course, Alan Kaidig, the trigger man. We have a good pictorial and we have a nostalgic moment way back in 1991 as we see a Orlao drive, a little bit of hang time pero mayroong foul na tinawag dito laban sa Macabebe. And Sunga checks out. One of the quad favorites is now in the ball game. Si Malyari. You know, he reminds me of a Dragon Ball figure. Nakalimutan ko na yung maitim na character sa Dragon Ball na kapag ka nagkaroon ng science technology, talagang he will outburst. Free throw is good. And now 6 points for Gua Gua. Nagmamadali dito si Yamut. Less than 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Here's the inside incursion. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Red shirts pa rin may tangan. Baseline. Nabitawan. At ito na ang Gua Gua. Tumatakbo. The low look pass. That's a great play. And one. Alvarez delivers. Instant replay shows Chris passing and an execution. Okay, Macabebe sues for time. They're up by 8, 16-8, 1:10 remaining first quarter. Back to live action, ating mga Kabalin fans. Wow! Hello po, mga Kabalin. Siguro pag na-list ni Madaming Kano, makita natin ang kanyang inner beauty. Right, para po, coming to you live from the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Continuing coverage of our Delta Cup 2023. Gua Gua Still far-fetched. They are on an 8-point deficit. Make that 7. 9-16 ang ating talaan na 10 remaining sa ating first quarter. So here's some press. Laksina almost turned the ball over. From the left go. Ito ang dry. Ang kanyang leading shot sobra. The bounce pass inside. Intercepted. Naagawan dito ng Gua Gua. Chance ng Gua Gua na makalapit. No look pass to Paule. Oh, that's a 4-point swing. Para sa Gua Gua, the lead is just down to 5. 11-16. Great crossover. But it was lost. De La Fuente from the corner. It goes iron. Yeah, would control the boards. Final 16 seconds. Nagmamadali ang Macabebe. And there's a foul. And he can't believe it on that foul. He jumped up and down on the court. Alright, that's going to be a shooting foul. Lack of shooting. At dalawang free throws ang may award para sa Macabebe. And the lead is 5. 16-11. Time down to 11.3 seconds. Make that 17. Two free throws made. Final 11.3 seconds before we call it a quarter. Heads up play. 5 seconds. They need to put it up now. Are they aware of the clock? Ito, tumina ng Palomong 3. It's able and that should do it. First quarter is history. 18-11 ang ating talaan. Macabebe up by 7. As we take a look at some of the highlights of the first quarter. Let's see that right now. One of the highlights is this play. The glass shot by Laksima. On the other hand, no look pass. Deliver the play. Those are the highlights. The score is 18-11. Second quarter coming up. Yan ang isa sa ating mga face of the day. At uy, ang ating chikiting dito. Enjoy na enjoy sa palunod ng basketball. Some of the fans here dito sa BREN Convention Center. Enjoying this Sunday full of basketball dito po sa Delta Cup. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat mga kabalen. Ako po yung lingkod. Ryan Paro po lamang. Doing the call for this 6th game. This is already game 2 of 6 para sa ating Delta Cup. Macabebe versus Gua Gua. Macabebe with a 7-point edge after 10 minutes of playing time. Second quarter is now underway. And here's Gua Gua on the possession. There's a double team. Ilabas ang bola on the left side of the court. Oh, that's a nice find. And one. Great passing there by the guard. Obliro, how did he find that open guy underneath, huh? Hindi madaling pasa yon. And that deserves a second look if we can. 3-point play opportunity there para sa Gua Gua. That is a miss. Free throw for Gua Gua. 5-point edge. Almost a steal. They steal in the backcourt. And there's a foul. Wow, Gua Gua now pressuring the ball carrier. 2 straight turnovers for Macabebe. Okay, bola pa rin daw ng Gua Gua bola, but that only leaves 20 seconds on the shot clock. They need to cross the 8-second line for 4 seconds, and they did. At mayroon tayong foul on the rear. Okay, palitan tao dito ang Gua Gua, and likewise Macabebe. Wanting to shoot now for Macabebe. And swinging around on the right wing. Jump shot from 20, bitin. Ito na ngayon ang Gua Gua. Unti-unti mawabalik sa laro. He's still trailing by 5 points. Kick out, 3 ball. Wala. O, sa amin ng coach, push. Push the ball up. Hang time move. Drop. 3-point shot. Long. 1-3 bake. Okay, by time substitution for both teams. Alright. Backward pressure now being put up. Para sa Gua Gua. Naitawin ng Macabebe ang pressure. 8-second line. Baseline jumper. Suddenly, Macabebe lost his touch. They missed 3 in a row. Hang time move. Wala. At mayroon tulak. Referee says there's a foul. Right, substitutions on the floor. Eight 12 remaining sa ating second quarter. 5 puntos sa abante. Backdoor cut. Nabiti sa Apostol. Naagawan. Almost a counter steal. Matapong ngayon ng Macabebe. Jump shot. Yes, sir. The lead is 7 points. Dungo sinks it. Gua Gua now with the possession. 7 puntos pa rin ang hinahabol. Bugarin. One of the na-cover kong sa youth. Malyari. 6 on the shot clock. His drive inside the paint didn't pay off. Someone is open, but Dungo can receive that pass promptly. Alright, back to live action tayo. 20-13 is the tally. Inside incursion, Angeles. How he did miss that layup. He's very open. And the lead is back to 7. Macabebe. Hindi na hinahayaan na matapyas siya ng lamang. The corner 3 works that time. Dugot is having a field day today, but he forgot Angeles. But just in time, Dugot steals it. Oh boy, he's all over the place. Duwag. Spots for 3. He didn't get it. The lob. Apostol couldn't catch it. Good ploy, but it backfired. Tingnan natin yung instant replay. Here's the 3 ball. Knocks it in. Right, pressure from the backcourt. Naitawid muli na Macabebe. Crossing the 8-second line, Duwag. Swing it over sa kanya, inside. There's a triple team. Nagawan dito ng Gua Gua. The lead is 10 points. Almost a counter steal. The lob. Nice up break. Behind the back pass. That's too fancy. Malyari misses. And the ball goes out of bounds. Muntik po nang matumba ang mineral tumbler ni Coach Leo Isaac. Buti na lang. Ayan, kailangan alagaan ko to. Kailangan ilagay ko. Yan, ilalagay ko sa TV para hindi ko masira yung libo-libong pisong tumbler ni Coach Leo. Alright, 23-19. 4 minutes gone by in the second quarter. Here's the jump shot. Bangs it in. Angeles. The lead is back to 8. Ito na, tumatabo ang Macabebe. There's a triple team. It's turning around on the right quarter. We have 10 seconds on the shot clock. Eto, 3-point shot. No. Ilalapit ni Ducot, the sidestep. The finger roll works. Oh, Ducot. He's been man-possessed in the first half. If he continues this stride, this will be an absolute unanimous decision for the best player honors. Should Macabebe wins this morning. 25-15. Time down to 5 minutes and 27 remaining sa ating first half of action. Malyani may tanga na muna. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And look at this. Dungo. The steal, the highs in the finish. And look at the big smile of his face. He really enjoyed this ball game more than anything else. 27-15 now is our tally. Bugari now has the letter. Pick provided by Angeles. Apostol momentarily open. He fires a 3-point shot. Ayaw. Inside pass, beautiful. Again, this Gua Gua player issuing blind assist. Yung nagbabantay sa ball carrier. I'm talking about Oblido. After they cross the 8-second line, a missed shot there by Macabebe. Fast break opportunity. Apostol will deliver. 4-point swing for Gua Gua. Lead is back to 8. And so far, Macabebe's coaching outsmarting the coaching counterparts of Gua Gua. But that time, it's a weak pass. And here it comes. Another incursion. Apostol. 6-point swing for Gua Gua. This slow-mo replay shows Apostol's brilliance on the fast break as he finishes off with a 3-point play opportunity. Okay, we have a ceasefire on the play. 27-21, 3:58 remaining. We shall return. We have a timeout. Three minutes and 58 seconds na lamang sa ating first half. So far, Macabebe with a 6-point edge. Unti-unti lumalapit ang Gua Gua. The 6-0 run on that stretch. But they can further chop down this lead. Then you're still watching Delta Cup. Live na live po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. My name is Ryan Paro. Almost a 3-point play opportunity, but Bogarin keeps it alive for Gua Gua. But he passes to the wrong guy. Here's Ducot. Break tech speed on the fast break. He can't finish. His teammate with a hang time move. Oh, that propels them once again with an 8-point lead. Nice creativity there, huh? 14 pounds para sa Macabebe. Isa pa lamang para sa Gua Gua. 3:33 remaining the balance sa ating first half. Bogarin on the right side of the court para sa Gua Gua. Here's a bounce pass. 7 on the shot clock. Here is the fake. There is a triple team. He will not force it. 3-point shot para sa Gua Gua. Wala. And Macabebe grabs the rebound courtesy of Dong. Ducot was the shining star para sa Macabebe. And here's a 3-point shot. Ayaw. On the home run, Angeles chops down the lead of Macabebe to 6. Less than 3 minutes remaining sa ating first half. Again, another unproductive thrust para sa Macabebe. Easy tap out there. Let's see that again in slow-mo. That brilliant home run by the big guy, Angeles. 29-23. Dugot, shake and bake. His teammate was fouled. That's Alvarez. Okay, back to live action. Macabebe with a possession. There's a double team. It's swinging around to Dugot, who has a hot hand. 4 to shoot. Eto na si Dugot. Tumina ng 3. Rattles out. Gua Gua on the fast break. Smallest guy on the 4 drives hard against Dugot, and Dugot instantaneously gives up a foul. Free throws time para si Gua Gua. Ang kanilang hinahabol ay 6. Ngayon 5. One more free throw. Rattles in. Lead is back to 4. So Gua Gua is breathing the neck of Macabebe. Inside incursion didn't pay off. Block shot this time. One of the top scorer of Macabebe. 7 to shoot. Baseline door shut in their faces, and they blew away that opportunity. Ball fake. It didn't matter. Okay. Meron tayong substitution para sa Macabebe. 2 tao ang papasok sa Macabebe. Lalabas muna si Duwag. So this will be a test of nerves. We're still on the halfway point of the first half. Less than 2 minutes remaining. 1 minute and 33 na lamang nalalabi. Eto na ang 3. Nope. 8 on the shot clock. Ito na ang Gua Gua. Dadaanin na binababa ang bola. O sabi ng coach ng Gua Gua, walang foul, walang foul. Incursion, inside passing. Olivares finding up a stall open. That's what you call touch passing, just like that. They're just within a basket, 27-29. Time down to 50 ticks to go in the first half. Baseline Jepper. Lost their touch. Chance to equalize, but this guy just saved it to the wrong party. And that time, a basket. Okay, I think meron tayong ceasefire on the action. The lead is for Macabebe, 31-27. We will be right back for more. Alright, 30 seconds remaining in the first half. Binabati ko ang aking kasama broadcaster si Alvin Tanyana. Tomorrow he will bring you the scene ng Liga Asian Games. Later, on our last game, we'll have a title card for you and what will be the games in the venue for the continuing coverage of the 15th season of ISAA, Interscholastic Athletic Association, powered by Sinagliga Asia. So, last play na tayo. Both teams had no more time to spare. Macabebe already in penalty. And 2 team fouls para sa Gua Gua. Bola po ng Gua Gua. 4 na puntos lang ang kanilang hinahabol. And here we go. Gua Gua with a possession. 25 seconds. Down to 20 seconds. Point guard now going to left. Bugarin. Olivares on the right wing. 9 to shoot. Olivares top. Oh, inside incursion. Nice pump fake. The release. Anemic. Battle for the rebound. Macabebe. 7 seconds remaining. Alfonso now to Mundo. Mundo with 3 seconds. Mundo with a drop. Great execution. Great execution. Just in time. Macabebe write the last sentence of the second chapter as we move on to our halftime report. 33 to 27. The lead is 6 points. We'll be right back for more halftime highlights and more dito lamang sa Delta Cup. Alright, we're just moments away to start the second half of action. Ang ating halftime score natin 27-33. Labang po ang Macabebe ng 6. Let's take a look at some first half highlights, starting with this fast break finish by number 50. Hindi ko lang makita yung pangalan eh. Basket counts there by Paule. And here's another fast break by Gua Gua. Magandang kanina umpisa, pero sa kalaunan, this guy, Dungo, and also the other guy who is now the leading scorer para sa Macabebe. As we flash here the scores, Dukot is one of the prime candidates of best player who had the older one performance. But first, Gua Gua score, Bugarin 6, Apostol 6, Paule 5. Macabebe, Dukot 10, Dungo 8, and Mundo 7. Pretty balanced scoring for both squads. Ating mga referees, of course, si Castillo, referee Richard De La Cruz, and Edward Escalambre. Right, we're just moments away to start the third quarter action of this. Yan, ang ating mga referees. Ayan, si Richard De La Cruz at si Castillo. Yung kaninang ball guy na nandyan, yung number 40, then si Edward Escalambre, nasa table official. As we start the second half of basketball action. Again, this is game 2 of 4. Meron pa tayong 4 na laro. Again, you're still watching the 2023 Delta Cup Cities Municipalities Basketball. Of course, brought to you by the Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than our beloved Governor of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And this is also powered by Sinag Liga Asia. You may like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages on both Pampanga Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia Facebook pages respectively, and to their respective social media platforms. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo ng ating second half action, and we're on the way. Macabebe possession now in the third quarter. Mariano, post court para sa Macabebe. The drop. Jump shot from the corner. Beat in. Mariano still get it. Shaka kumanda. Only 5 seconds. They need to put up a shot. They do, but it bungled. Sunga keeps it alive for the red shirts. Fresh 14, but ball taken away by Bugarin. Bugarin almost traveled. Baseline drive. Oh, succeeds with that pull by Malyari. The lead is just out to 4. 29-33. Somebody's open. Dungo. Lead is back to 6. 35-29. Minute gone by in this third chapter. Sabi ni Bugarin, heads up play tayo. Moving the ball from left to right. That player stumbled upon and he holds him. Yan laban kay Alfonso of Macabebe. That's his first personal foul. Fresh 14. Ito na ang Gua Gua. 5 to shoot. You want to manufacture a basket. Real quick. Here it comes. Bugarin, 2 to shoot. Puts it up. And it bounces on the back iron. Fast break opportunity for Macabebe. They succeed. Lead is back to 8 para sa Macabebe. 37-29. Approaching 8 minutes in this third quarter. The sidestep. Great drop. He will take 2 instead. The guard of Gua Gua, he may not be the best guard that's Ulino, but he issues some fancy passes to the unexpected recipient. At ito si Malyari, titinan ng dalawang free throw. First is good. One more serving para kay Malyari. He didn't get it. 8 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Here's the jump shot. Wala. Sunga puts it in. And Macabebe restoring back the lead to 9. So again, the rebounding story, mas mataas dito Macabebe because of their well-timed position for the putbacks. Meron tayong Pito, tulak for the attempt. Okay, French 14 tayo. Dalawang tao mula sa Gua Gua pinitayo. Nice back to cut. Bitin ang kanyang tira. Gets it right back. 10 to shoot. Triple team from the corner. And he blown that opportunity na bitawan ng bola. Instant foul given up by Gua Gua. Nine-point game for Macabebe. Alley-oop play did not materialize. Dungo sent an air ball. Pale nagdadala ng trangko para sa the white shirts ng Gua Gua. 15 to shoot. They swing it around. Paule. May pitong referee. Meron tayong foul sa ilalim. Inbound na para sa Gua Gua. The lead is 9 for Macabebe. Nice cut. A nice incursion. So far, Gua Gua making good assists, but they need to hold account to themselves of being out-rebounded so far by Macabebe in this entire game. Baseline drive. Oh! We have a horseback ride. Replay natin yan. At ito ang nangyari. Oh! Ngayon, kinabayo. (39-32). 6 minutes and 39 seconds in the third quarter. Inbound. The love. Alley play to perfection. Nakabuslo din si Sunga. 9 puntos ang bante ng Macabebe, 41-32. 6:25 remaining sa ating third quarter. Paule from top of the key. From the baseline. Bounce pass. Inside incursion. The reverse. Sobra. Takbo muli ang Macabebe. Tukot. Top scorer. Here's a 3-point. No. He will be called for traveling. 41-32. The lead is 9 points with 6 minutes remaining. The balance at in third quarter. You're still watching Delta Cup live in San Fernando, Pampanga. Bugarin for long two. Won't bite. Hindi nakuha ni Dung ang bola na dribble niya sa kanyang paa. Babalik ang bola sa Gua Gua. Back on inbound, fresh 24 on the shot clock. Bugarin will slowly bring up the ball. Heads up play, sabi niya. 9-point deficit staring on Gua Gua. Kick out on the left. 13 to shoot. Baseline. Nasarhan ng pintuan. Backdoor cut, ayaw. Put back, Sapal. Great rejection. And here comes the fast break. Tip in. Wow, Sunga out of nowhere. Saving the situation for Macabebe. Now the lead is 11, 43-32. Baseline drive. The big guy on the floor. Pulls it up. Wala. Battle for the rebound. He gets it right back. Yank it away. The ball will not count. The basket will not count. There's a jump ball first. And the ball possession will stay with Gua Gua. Take a look at this replay. Medyo huli na yun direct. Dapat previous to that. It's a 3-point shot. Converted by Gua Gua, courtesy of De La Fuente. 8-point edge. 4:50 left. That's more than halfway house of the third quarter. Here's the jump shot from the free throw line. Tad short. Angeles says, let me take over those rebounds. Boganin, shaking big ball. Boganin takes flight. Pays off. Lead is 6. Para sa Macabebe, 43-37. And that ball yanked away. And here's Paule on another fast break opportunity. Fadeaway shot. It works. The lead is back to 4. Gua Gua breeding the next of Macabebe. Almost a turnover. It is a turnover. And here comes another fake. The bounce pass to Paule. That ball trickles out. That could have been a 3-point play opportunity. And not to distract for anything else, they need to stop the momentum. We have a timeout by Macabebe. Some beautiful girls here in Pampanga in full display. And she's a very shy type of a girl. Nakita natin dito sa BREN Convention Center. Good eye on our director Aldin Alejo for that eye-catching moment. 4 minutes, third quarter. Lead is 4. Para sa Macabebe. And Paule muffed the first of 2 free throws. Again, nanonood po kayo ng Delta Cup. Live na live po dito sa San Fernando City, Pampanga. Ako po yung lingkod, Ryan Pajaro. 2 misses for Paule. And here's the inside incursion. Ducot failed to deliver. A rare occasion, a rare disparity. A rare miss. And clearly, the momentum is on the side of Gua Gua. They're just within 4. They're breathing the neck, but there's going to be another traveling. All right. The lob pass. And here's Macabebe with the possession. The drop pass intercepted by Apostol. Chance now to Gua Gua to chop down this lead. .15 to shoot now. Shot clock down to 10. Alley-oop play to perfection. Wow, this guy. Great presence of mind by Orlino. He's issuing assists now. Issuing big plays. Now let's do what he can do on the safety guard. Apostol, touch it last. Sabi ni referee, bola pa rin na Macabebe. Let's see that again. Look at Orlino. Eye in the sky. Macabebe winning penalty. Gua Gua is only 2 team fouls. 100 shot. Ito si Dugo. Yung tira na yan parang ano no? Parang roll mulo mamaril. No? Pareho sila ng forma no? Sa tira. Samantala, 2:45 left. The lead is back to 4. Macabebe. Oh! Big bomb explosion from 3-point territory. Orlino with a 5-point cluster. Just like that. Gua Gua is within 1. Orlino hits the deck. And the referee says ball goes to Gua Gua, and look at Orlino. He's howling and shouting for joy. He is now an emotionally immersed player this morning. He wants to lead this team back in harness. And so far, Orlino did just that. Ito na si Orlino. 1 point lead na lamang to na Macabebe. Alvarez is swinging around. 15 to shoot. Nightway cross over the side step. Wala. Bothered by the defense. And there's a foul given up. And the ball will still be, or will now be Macabebe. Exactly 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Laksina almost turned the ball over, pero no choice to si Orlino. Kulang siya sa reach. At siya tinawagan ng foul. So, that puts Gua Gua in team foul penalty. Actually, both teams in penalty. Okay, gagamit mo ng oras dito ang Blazers. And we have a basket. Minute and 45. Time to shoot now. Here's Orlino with a jackknife. Oh, that deserves a highlight, Direk. That deserves a highlight. Once again, Gua Gua is on the driver's seat. Those pickpocket jumps by the two guards. Seeing Gua Gua on its driver's seat. Macabebe almost turned over. The team Macabebe Dungo now has it. 30 to shoot. He spots. Gets it to go. He's cool as ice, Dungo. We're having a seesaw battle right now. 49-48. It's a 1 point lead for Macabebe. 56 na lamang po sa ating third quarter. Okay, meron tayong, yes. Okay, tama yung symbol ni referee. Yabut was called for faking a foul. Take note of that. Yabut of Macabebe was called for faking a foul. Okay. Alright, back to live action. Yun ang malamig na jump shot ng Macabebe. That's Dungo. 1 point lead pa rin para sa Macabebe. 33 ticks to go in the third quarter. The spin, the turn. Nanlamig dito si Mundo after a good first half. 0 in the third quarter. Orlino wide open. 3-point shot on his way. Outside short. Put back inside the paint. It got it. At lamang na ang Gua Gua. 50-49 for the very first time is ballgame. What a turnaround, huh? Late third quarter storm by Gua Gua shall shock Macabebe in his heels. A solitary point lead. Ito. Makatabla dito ang Macabebe. With the sweet throws with this guy. It's out. Malakas. We're down to 7.8 seconds of this third quarter. One more serving. It's a split. Tatlo tayo sa 50. 7.8 seconds. Down to 6. Down to 5. Zigzagging his way through. And they turn the ball over. Nagmamadali dito ang Gua Gua. For Macabebe, still enough time. One dribble and shoot. Here it comes. And here comes 2 dribbles. Wala nang oras. Tapos na po ang ating third quarter. Tabla tayo at 50. And in just a short while, we will bring you some highlights of this magnificent third quarter. So again, we are back to square one. Macabebe 50. Gua Gua 50. Let's take a look at some of the highlights prepared by our production team for this. Ayan na po. Here's that alley play kanina. May sunga. Alley play din. Orvino. Full olives ang nakita natin dyan. That should do it for the third quarter. We are tied at 50. Payoff period coming up. Okay, we're just moments away for the fourth quarter action. Again, you're still watching the Municipalities and Cities Basketball League for Pampanga, also known as Delta Cup 2023, brought to you by the Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than our beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. It is also powered by Sinag Liga Asia. We suggest to like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages, Pampanga Information Office, and Sinag Liga Asia YouTube and Facebook pages. This is yours truly, Ryan Bano, doing the call here at the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Close third quarter, and we are back to square one. Tabla sila pareho at 50. First possession for Macabebe to start the fourth period. The drop, the fake. Dungo, short. Previous battle for the letter. One for Alabang. The layup is good. O Gua Gua rather. Pasok yung tira na yun. So Gua Gua umuli lang naman 52-50. Sobrang tira. Put back. Ayaw pa rin. Tip in. Wala pa rin. Sorry for their efforts. And that time, it is a 4-point cluster for Gua Gua. Orvido taking charge on both ends of the floor. Okay. Macabebe with the possession. That time, he lost it. Yabut touch it last. At meron tayong substitution para sa Gua Gua. Lamang sila ng 4. A minute gone by in the sporting final quarter. Wow! What a superb incisive action on that incursion. To the delight of the crowd, 6-point game now for Gua Gua. That deserves a second look. You can see the oohs and ahs to the crowd on that last instant. If we can have a replay, we can have it. Grabe yun, ha? 6-point game. One team foul for Macabebe. Shaka lang at 10. And he draws a foul. Alright, it will be 2-shot foul para sa Macabebe. Oy, batiin ko nga pala, of course, yung bisita natin. Of course, Vice President and CEO ng Sinag Liga Asia, Ray Alaw. His son, Mo Prince Alaw, is currently playing for De La Salle Green Archers, and so far they look good. They're just secured the final 4 spot. And talagang mahirap na makakalaban nila. We also have UP and U and other teams that are participating in UAAP. For NCAA naman, makuha ang nandyan. Oh, ito yung mga bisita natin. From BREN Convention Center, some of the fans watching, enjoying this Sunday filled with Kapampangan basketball. Drop to shoot. Look at this getaway move. Just didn't enough muscle to score. Here's Laxina, up fake. Mundo, unable to hit. He comes to grief. Three ball from the corner. Long. There's a foul from the rear. All right. The score, 56, Gua Gua, 51, Macabebe. Macabebe trailing by 5. 7:35 remaining. There's some traps from the sideline. Ito na, atake siya. The drop. Oh, how about that? Sunga, he thought he was rejected, pero the darn thing came in. 56-53. 7:17 left in this 1 1/4. Hang time move, huli. We have substitutions now for Gua Gua. Approaching 7 minutes. Almost babulap itong si Sunga. And we have a heist. The lead is 3. Here's Paule on the fast break. That's too much passing. Paule drops it up. Another turnover. And this time, Dungo secures it. The lead is down to 1. White shirts. Gua Gua. They're leaning just 1. Oh, great block shot. Fast break from Macabebe. Counter steal by De La Fuente. From the corner, the spin, the turn. He gets a foul. Wow, what actually we're seeing back and forth, huh? Look at that. Substitutions now for Gua Gua. Free throw is no good. Second free throw. It's no good. Vercher still has it. Now Macabebe has a chance to grab the driver's seat. 4 minutes gone by in this ball game. This is just the second game of 6. Nice fake by Mundo. Pulls up. He get it. 10-footer by Mundo. The lead is 1. And Macabebe crowd chanting defense. Paule spins. Warded off. Basket will not count. Offensive foul, and Yabol is down. And let's see that replay on that ward-off foul rather. Kita-kita din yung hawi. Ayan, tingnan natin sa slow-mo replay. Ito yung jump shot. Pwede natin pakita yung sa last offensive foul. Mukhang wala na yata. Okay, mamaya na lang. Back to live action. 10 on the shot clock. So foul on number 6. Alright, free throws time. Penalty na po ang Gua Gua. Isa pa lamang sa Macabebe. I see now the team of Balakat. Yan, naglaro na yan nung last time, no? They're gonna preparing. First is good. The lead is 2 for Macabebe. Look at some of the young fans watching. Oy! That's a rebound there. Macabebe with a 2-point lead. Here comes Dungo. Spins. Turns. Or Mundo rather. 2 on the shot clock. They need to put it up. Just in time. It rim out. Dungo misfires on that layup. 5 minutes remaining. Halfway point. Paule off balance. Ball taken away. Dong to Dungo. Bounces out. Gua Gua chance to even the count. It does. It does. Tie game at 58. 5th deadlock of this ball game. The finger roll. Dungo put back. Won't bite. Third serving. It's a foul on Malyari. Okay, substitutions on the floor now. Pumuna si Yabut. So, kanina pa sa penalty ang Gua Gua. Pagkakataon na ma-increase ng Macabebe lamang. Ayun, yun ang distraction. Mga part ng ano yun. Sabi nga, part ng entertainment sa ating mga fans. Split. 3-point game. 4:23. Nice save. And nice hustle likewise para sa Macabebe. What a sensational block! Oh, direct. I want to see that again. Oh, huli yun. Tingnan natin. Backdoor cut. Nice drop. Nerve-shattering shot block. Oh. 7 on the shot clock. Okay. I think the Macabebe will utilize the coach's challenge. Tingnan natin. Hindi na lang ng officials ang ating coach's challenge. Actually, pwede siya, pero the officials will use the coach's challenge maybe on the last 2 minutes of this game. Alright, Gua Gua will inbound. 7 on the shot clock. Inside reverse. Sumobra. Macabebe holding on with a 3-point lead. 4 minutes remaining. The pass. Knocked away. 3:55 left sa ating basketball game. Dungo from the corner, 3-point shot. Does not bite. Rebound. Orliao. Hindi kasi mabasa masyadong ayun. Jerseys nila. 1-point game. Wide open. He will not take the shoot. Nilapit. Malakas. And that's going to be a foul. Okay. Just a substitution ba? Akala ko time out. Ang haba ng buzzer. Just a substitution. Anyway. 2 free throws. 1 point. Macabebe lead a miss by Dungo. Well, if Macabebe wins, try to judge best player. He makes again. Lead is 60-59. 3:25 in the ball game. Here's the drive. Nice cut. Too strong. Sayang. Last touch. Macabebe, it will stay with Gua Gua. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Give and go play. And that little guy is down on the floor. Just to buy time. He's now beginning to tire out. Take a look at this. Hindi kita sa angle na yan. Hindi kita sa angle na yan. Siguro yung sa press angle. Direct yung replay of that last foul. All important free throws now for Gua Gua. He can even the count if he made both. 60-59. Free throw time. Yes. Tied at 60. Sixth deadlock of the game. Another heist. He almost missed. And you see, that's the expression of our Kapampangas. And we have another counter fast break, but they blow that opportunity with a long pass and a little bit high pass that the guard of Gua Gua cannot catch rather. 2 minutes and 54 remaining in this game. Slow down tempo now for Macabebe. Looking for a clear out. There's a 3-point shot. That's too wide. There's a foul before that. Again, tied at 60-39. All important free throws for Macabebe. And Sunga succumbs to pressure. Gua Gua is already in penalty. Macabebe only has 2 fouls. They have 3 fouls to give. And look at the stare down. Quiet, please. You know that sometimes those are the showboat expressions that we see in basketball. 1 point Macabebe lead. 2 minutes and 35 in this ball game. Sidestep. There's a foul. Two and a half minutes. There will be 2 free throws. For the free throws now for this guy. Tie game at 61, 7 deadlock. 2.5 minutes remaining. This is just game 2 of 6. We still have 4 more games left in the Delta Cup today. And they grab the lead 62-61. The pressure is on. Macabebe now. One-on-one defense. Outside. Dugot has been silent in the second half. 2 pump fakes. Jump shot. Timely basket by Dungo. So Dugot had a superb first half. Dungo had a great second half. And Gua Gua needs to talk things over. Alright, mga kaibigan. You can see there right under your screens our official ball for Delta Cup 2023. Molten, the official basketball of Delta Cup. Yan. Papunta na tayo sa ating last 2 minutes of this ball game. The game is still undecided. And look at the look at the Macabebe fans really yelling. Want to encourage Macabebe. 2:15 left. And ladies and gentlemen, we'll invite you to watch this as we move to our twilight zone. We're now on the last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Molten. Official shoes. Oh, official shoes. Official ball. Official ball of Delta Cup. Sinabi ko official shoes. Alright. Macabebe with a possession. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And there is a jump shot from the left wing. No good. Battle for the rebound. Now, Gua Gua will take care of that basketball. They're down by 1. Number 6 player. Shake and bake move. And there is a offensive foul as he wired off. That's Bulgarin. Big call. Let's see that again. How he incurred the defensive foul. Yes! It's a shove. Very obvious. Very kitang-kita sa replay. Very clear in broad daylight. That's an offensive foul. Better than 32 remaining. So buckle up your seats, ladies and gentlemen. Let's enjoy this ball game. Macabebe with the possession now with 1.5 minutes. Here you go. Here's the play developed. Let's see what will be their outcome. Looking for cutters going left. Here's the drive inside the paint against 3. Was thwarted. And Dong will shoot 2 free throws. There's a foul. Alright, we have some substitutions on the floor. Dong will take 2 free throws. Macabebe with a solitary point. 3 team fouls pa lamang ang Macabebe. Gua Gua already in penalty situation. Free throws will be important. And he missed. That's Duwag. Right, a bit long. The team that will have its points will win this game. From the backs out. He missed both and the rebound control by Malyari. 1 point lead now for Macabebe. Here's Bulgarin, brings it downtown. Bulgarin pushing the ball up on court. 17 on the shot clock. Bulgarin lays it up. It's in! And just like that, Gua Gua is ahead by 1 point. 64-63. And suddenly, Macabebe needs to stop this momentum. We have a timeout as we bring you this last bit of action in slow-mo with this Bulgarin escape act. All right, we're just moments away for the resumption of the action. As the coaching staff of Gua Gua still mapping a play. It's already time. And some of the players now checks back in. And Malyari will not join the play. Malyari had some slight cramps. I can see that earlier on the camera. Macabebe chose to inbound on backcourt. This will be a full court press for Gua Gua. Remember, Gua Gua leads by 1. Macabebe needs to score at this point. Almost a errant pass. The big guy brings the ball up. Almost traveled. Taken away. Here's the drive. Almost a bucket. And here's Gua Gua on the other end of the floor. They will not force the issue. They are up by 1. Apostol wisely slowed it down. 52 seconds remaining. Does it pass inside the paint? There's a double team. He will not force the issue. Goes out. 12 to shoot. And it will be called for what? Traveling. It's a traveling error. Let's see that on slow-mo. Let's see what happened. Yeah. Took some steps. 45 seconds now. Macabebe holding on to a 1-point lead. 40 ticks to go. Outside sniping there from Macabebe. It does not work. Rebound by Bugarin. Bugarin on the trail. Bugarin was fouled. That puts Macabebe in team foul penalty. That's the 4th team foul and also the 4th personal. No free throws yet. 16 on the shot clock. 31 seconds to go. One-point lead for Gua Gua. I want to stand up. This is a very, very enticing game. 21 seconds to go. Gua Gua will inbound on the baseline. Almost a bad pass. No, it's tapped away. It will stay with Gua Gua. Inbound. Looking for cutters. You find one. Here's the point guard. 13 to shoot. Back dribbles it. Bugarin. 5 to shoot. Drives. They're going to review it. Direct, can we review that last bit of action? The last out of bounds play on that angle for our referees to decide. Let's review the last bit of action in slow-mo. Alright. Yeah, just slow it down, Direct. Daan-daan lang. Let's see this. Yan. Okay. Let's see. Okay. What do you think, Rep? Okay, let's have one more. Same angle. Review it again. Ulitin pa natin. Okay, one more time. Okay. Same pace. Let's see that again. Here's the drive. Okay, Direct, this time, punta tayo dun sa press box angle. Yung sa taas, yung press box. Sa taas, at the top. Yung top camera view na replay. Yan, that's much better. Yan, tingnan natin. Okay. Okay, the referees will now decide what will be the outcome. After the review, it will stay. It will stay with Gua Gua. It will stay with Gua Gua. .8 seconds. Okay. Gua Gua will have a timeout, but we're gonna hang on to there, okay? We'll not take it over. Meron tayong timeout sa Gua Gua. Now, important thing for Gua Gua is to make a good inbound. And not allow Macabebe to have something, no? Ngayon, Macabebe is down by a point. They get off to foul. Okay, Direct, top camera view, ulitin natin yung kanina sa replay. Yan, that's much better. Let's see how many time remaining no shot clock. We already see how much time remaining. Sige, Direct. Okay, go. Sige, tingnan natin. Okay. Saan tumalbog ang bola? Let's see the clock. Tumalbog siya for, let's have 4.5 seconds. 4.5 seconds on the shot clock. Let's have 4.5 seconds. Thank you, Direk. Alright, the shot clock will be at 4 seconds. So, tama ang tawag, 4.5 or 4 seconds. Kung wala tayong point of a second sa shot clock, it's a 1-point lead So, no need to foul, ha? No need to foul ang Macabebe. All they need is to play defense. Now, Gua Gua needs to score to at least have a cushion. Here it comes. Here's the inbound. Let me stand. 4 on the shot. Here's Bugarin. 3 seconds on the shot clock. They need to put it up. Bugarin, one-handed shot. It works! How about that? How about that? Big basket by Bugarin. And we're going to have a timeout by Macabebe. Magnificent. Magnificent shot. Take a look at this. Shot clock expiring. Bugarin takes matters into his own hands and delivered promptly. But with this timeout, we're not gonna turn over. We're gonna hang over to the air. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, mga kaibigan. Whew! Ito'y pakalawang laro lamang sa 6. Just like I said in the broadcast, in the 6th and final game, if this 6th game is tantalizingly close, I'm gonna give it all out. 3-point edge for Gua Gua. Both teams in penalty. Macabebe has no more timeouts to call. Gua Gua has one more. That's the game reset para sa inyo, mga kaibigan, for our viewers sa Facebook Live on both PIO and Sinag Liga Asia. And so far, Coach Leo Zaak, our tournament commissioner, and Ray Alaw. All right, 66-63. Well, Bugarin might have it a big shot, but Macabebe can answer back with 13 seconds. They can tie it with a 3. No more shot clock, 13 seconds remaining. Here it comes. Here's Macabebe with the ball. They need a 3-point shot to tie. And that's going to be a holding foul. Good call by the West by Julian. Penalty situation in effect. 2 free throws will be awarded para sa Macabebe with only 10.1 seconds remaining. Okay. No, this is just 5 fouls. Wala tayong timeout. 5 fouls yan. So, Umliad bows out of the game with 5 personal fouls. So, important free throws for this guy. At ating mga dialing and nanginginig. First free throw. It's good. 66-64. Gua Gua. Should Macabebe scores it, there will be an impending timeout for Gua Gua. They have one more to call. 10.1. Second free throw in the box. Makes both. And Gua Gua will call its last timeout. We're going to hang on to the air. We're going to hang on to the air. Direk, pwede ba natin ilabas yung sa ISAA schedule o mamaya na? Mamaya na siguro, no? Wag muna ngayon. Okay, mamaya na natin ilalabas yan. Alright, 10.1 seconds. Of course, these two gentlemen really enjoyed this game. And of course, the fans here at the BREN Convention Center, talaga naman, linggong-linggo, napakaganda ng panahon, napakaganda ating mga basketball action. And to all the fans here at BREN Convention Center, pakakataon nyo nilang i-wave ang inyong sarili. Yan, papakita natin nila. There you go. It's a family day here in San Fernando City. Kita nyo naman, you can see the big smiles of the faces as they enjoy this game. A 1-point game para sa Gua Gua. Excuse me. 1-point game sa Gua Gua. Now, game reset. Both teams in penalty. Both teams had no more timeouts. Possession for Gua Gua. 10.1 seconds. The first option for Macabebe is to steal. In case makakuha ng foul ang Macabebe, they will put Gua Gua to the line. 10.1 seconds. Let's see. First for Gua Gua, they need a good inbound. They need to secure it. Important possession. Here it comes. Here's the inbound. 8 seconds. Instant foul given up by Sunga. Bugarin, who had a big basket earlier, will be tested at the free throw line. Keep in mind, no more timeouts remaining for both squads. And the coach is complaining to the reps. Need to be careful, wag lang siya ma-technical dahil napaka-crucial nito. First free throw, Bugarin. He gets it to go. It's a 2-point game. 67-65. Both teams in penalty. Miss, rebound. Eto na ang Macabebe. 4 seconds to go. It's a traveling error. It's a traveling error. Yabo travels. Let's see that again. And this is yes, he lost his rhythm. He lost his footing and he travels. And Gua Gua escapes with a 2-point win with a final score 67-65. Bugarin was the hero of the game with a big bucket in a closing second. So, ipakita natin sa ating mga televiewers ang final score. But before that, let's have some highlights of this magnificent ball game that we just saw. Gua Gua with a 2-point win over Macabebe. Final score 67-65. Let's see the highlights, if ever. If not, I'll proceed with the best player honors. In just a few moments, we'll have the interview para sa ating best player of the ball game. Okay, let's have the best player of the ball game. I shall return in a bit.
Isang makapigil, hiningang panalo, 67-65. Enrico Bugarin, our best player. Tell us something about that winning shot.
Basta ginawa ko lang po yung pinapagawa ng coach namin. Yung sa training namin, ina-adapt lang namin every training. Pinupush namin yung sarili namin at yung mga teammate namin.
Ngayon sa mga susunod na game, Enrico, paano nyo maiwasan yung turnovers? Kasi pag ganitong dikita na laban, doon kayo pinapatay sa turnovers eh.
Kailangan maging matalino sa mga winning shot at winning possession. Kailangan i-practice namin ito every training at kailangan i-relax lang sarili. Kailangan wag ma-pressure kasi doon mawawala talaga yung yung pag-iisip ng player.
So Enrico, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, may pagkakataon ng bumati at magpasalamat sa iyong mga fans.
Unang-una nagpapasalamat po kay Lord dahil kung wala po siya, di po namin makukuha yung panalo na to. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa mapagmahal na gobernador ng Pampanga, si Gov Delta, kay Coach Alan at sa Coach Totoy, pati sa mayor namin sa Gua Gua, si Mayor Tonton, si Vice Junlim, tsaka yung mga konsyal doon. At binabati ko rin po yung mga pamilya ko sa Gua Gua, yung mama at papa ko, tsaka yung lola ko, si Lola Melia, si Daddy Manning, si Tita Tina, at yung pamilya ng mga pisan ko sa Family Liwanag, Talavera at Manalo. Binabati ko rin yung pamilya ng girlfriend ko, si Sofia Espiritu, tsaka si Tita Maricel, si Tito Robert, tsaka yung mga kapatid niya, tsaka yung mga classmate ko sa Davso. Yun, maraming salamat po.
Alam mo, Enrico, masasabi ko lang sa'yo, hindi ka lang bugarin, mayroon ka lang batiin. Congratulations. Best player of the ball game. Coming up next, we have Santa Rita versus Mabalacan when the Delta Cup 2023. Oh, may pahabol pa.
Shoutout GB Malyari and MJ Los pa. Good luck.
Magbabalik po kami.